So, yeah, see? Matagal na din talaga kami hindi na kami. Bago lang tarp. Happy birthday to you.
Tita Barla loving life. Yes, welcome to my vlog. Please subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. See ya! Tita Barla at ang bago niyang buhay.
Morning everyone, we are here in Sinakaban, St. Joseph Parish of Sinakaban, Misamis Occidental. It's our first time again. Today is April 6 and it's mother-in-law's birthday, so tayo ay magpamamas para Thanksgiving. Ito yung office nila. St. Joseph Parish. See-through, wind-through. Labas-masok lang ang wood na wood. Sabi ni husband, after daw ng mass, pupunta kami doon sa Tangum, doon kami mag-lunch sa Bex Encantadia. So mag-travel kami ng 47 kilometers. Oh yeah, see? Matagal na din talaga kami hindi na kami. Bago lang tarp. Yan. Welcome to Bex Encantadia. Okay. It's been quite some time na pala kami hindi nakabalik dito. Bago na yung tarp. At saka si Becoming Filipino ang nandyan, si Kulas. Bex Encantadia Flower Farm. Yeah, they have this. Ang pinaka-special talaga nila is tinolang manok. Yung native chicken. All native. Ayan, they have a new machine. Vendo machine. Oh. There is another big kawa. So this is a new area. So de-develop nila as soon to be a pool, mini pool. Sabi ng may-ari, nakausap namin siya at this pool will be open to the public on April 10. Kasi sila mga family, mga apo, pa-chill-chill daw dyan tuwing Sunday. So sabi nila, ba't hindi na lang natin i-open to the public? So this coming April 10. At ito yung rest house nila sa may-ari. Here are the kawa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 on this area. Anto pa sa likod. We have a cake for mother-in-law's birthday.
Okay, ano mo check number ba? Na picture.
And there's another side here na kawa. 1, 2, 3. Here. Yeah, oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And another big one there. Diba? Nature's at its finest.
To the city streets, we began to feel the fire.
The picture.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine.
Happy birthday to you. Si mother na original na plantita, hindi talaga yan aalis ng lugar pag may gusto siyang halaman, manghingi yan. Ayan. Binigyan siya ng may-ari na sana ibebenta yan. Pero binigay niya sa amin dahil kami ay nagiging suki loves na niya dito. So on our way home, we stopped by at fruit stand at the highway of Labinay, Osamis City. Kana lang pong, kanang hinog o kani 50 pesos ang kilo sa green at saka yung red 70 pesos. Ang green lang kinuha namin kasi pareho lang naman silang matamis.
Madam, ikaw piling diri madam.
Ha, time pa.
Oh, star apple.
Star apple diri sa unsa ni? Labinay, Osamis. Ayun lang dako kayo kay. Aw sige, malkanse. Kani hinog. Kanang inig abot ba nga maka? Ayaw po nang nalata kayo dam.
Oh, ikaw pili.
Kani pagkapi na lang ni nani.
Basta ikaw. 1 kilo.
O duha ba? Labinay Highway.
Ano? Angkot. Wala madam, duha kilo sa kagamo na
O sige. This is just for now. Thank you so much everyone for watching. This is Tita Barla. If you are new to my channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you on my next vlog. Goodbye.